Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the captivating curiosity of Pomeranians. If you're a fan of these pint-sized explorers or simply curious about their inquisitive nature, you've come to the right place. Join us as we embark on a journey filled with adorable antics, delightful discoveries, and heartwarming moments. Get ready to be enchanted by the world of curious Pomeranians. Pomeranians are small, intelligent dogs known for their curiosity and inquisitive nature. Here's some information about their curiosity. Explorers, Pomeranians have a natural instinct to explore their surroundings. They enjoy investigating new sights, sounds, and smells. Their curious nature makes them eager to investigate anything that captures their attention. Alertness, Pomeranians are known for their alertness and will often raise their ears and pay close attention to their environment. They are quick to notice any changes and may investigate unfamiliar objects or people. Playfulness, Pomeranians have a playful nature and are curious about toys and games. They often enjoy interactive play sessions and love to discover new toys or engage in activities that challenge their mind. Social curiosity, Pomeranians are generally friendly and sociable dogs. They are curious about other animals, people, and their surroundings. They may approach new people or animals with curiosity, but proper socialization is essential to ensure positive interactions. Problem solvers, Pomeranians are intelligent dogs and can be quite adept at problem solving. They enjoy figuring out how to access treats or toys that are hidden or placed in challenging locations. Their curiosity drives them to find solutions to the puzzles presented to them. Investigative nature, Pomeranians may exhibit investigative behaviors when they encounter new scents or objects. They may sniff, paw, or explore objects with their mouth to gather information about them. It's important to provide them with appropriate outlets for their curiosity to prevent destructive behavior. Remember that each Pomeranian will have its own unique personality and level of curiosity. Some may be more curious and adventurous than others. Providing mental stimulation, interactive toys, and supervised exploration can help satisfy their curious nature and keep them engaged and happy. Thank you for joining us on this delightful adventure into the curious world of Pomeranians. We hope you enjoyed witnessing their playful exploration, their keen problem-solving skills, and their adorable interactions. If you couldn't get enough of these inquisitive furballs, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a charming episode. We'll continue to bring you more captivating content that showcases the insatiable curiosity of Pomeranians. Until next time, stay curious and keep spreading the love for these adorable companions. See you soon.